Is Surfer.be really a great and easy way to make money online by, for example, just watching videos? And is it really a platform that will pay you instantly as it claims here on its website, or is it just a waste of time? My name is Michael and I have joined this platform to test it myself and to compare it with the hundreds of other free earning methods I have tested. And in this Surfer.be review, I will give you an inside look and show you all the details, because let me just reveal right away, it definitely has both pros and cons, and you need to be aware of both before you start investing your time here. So before I log in and show you around and show you exactly how Surfer.be works, let's go over who can join. And you can actually join from more or less all countries. And you can also use it on several devices and in several different ways, but I will go more into details about that a little bit later. But for now, you just need to know that you can potentially join and earn from all countries. But to find out if it really will be worth it or not, then we need to take an inside look. So let's do that now. So I have now logged into Surfer.be, and in one sense it is fairly easy to figure out how you can get started by earning. And if you log in on the website, you basically have only one way to earn, and a little bit later I will show you how you can potentially earn extra by using other methods. But the main earning method here is by watching videos, and you can see there are videos here and you are told exactly how much you will earn and how much of the video you need to actually watch. So in this case I would get $0.0003 for watching 20 seconds of this ad. So these are advertisers that want more views for the videos, and then they pay Surfer.be for getting people to view them, and then you get a part of that. So that is how you can earn by watching videos here. So all you then need to do is just to click the start button and watch the videos for the number of seconds that is required. And once you've watched the video, there is a big counter in the corner, and I cannot show you right now because when I do that, it'll be very loud because you can't turn down the sound of the video, because then the seconds will not count. But in the top corner, there will be a small timer that actually counts down, that shows the number of seconds you need to watch. Once that has been done, you need to solve a captcha, and then you will get the promised earnings into your account here. So it definitely can seem appealing, but a little bit later I will explain more about exactly how much you can earn by doing that, because you also need to consider that. But for now, let's go over how you can potentially get more earning methods, because as you can see right now, the number of available videos is quite limited. I only have 6 here, and I have tested it for quite a while on and off, and there are in general not a lot of videos here, so that definitely limits the earning potential. But one way you can increase your earnings is by using the browser extension. You can see here there is a browser extension for Google Chrome, Yandex, Firefox and Opera. So if you go there and install it, you will then get access to more paid videos, and also you will sometimes see ads popping up and you will click those and get paid for that. So that can be a way to actually earn more. Again, the earnings per task, per video or per ad you click is not huge or anything like that, but it can be a way to earn more than you can do just by watching the videos available inside the platform. And you can download the app for Android, so if you want to get access to these earning opportunities from your phone, then you can also download that on Google Play, which means you would not have to sit in front of your computer to earn, which can also be a way to increase your earnings. But that will not give you access to a huge number of available earning methods anyway, so it's mainly a way to just be able to work on the platform from anywhere if you decide to join after watching this review. So let's now go over how much you can then earn here on Surfer.be. But before we do that, I would really appreciate if you can just take 1 second to hit the like button, as that can help my video to be seen by more people. And let's now then talk more about how much you can earn here. And this is very important to consider, because as you can see, it does not require a lot of effort. But if you really take the time to calculate how much you would get here, then I have calculated that it would require you to actually watch around 2,700 videos to be able to earn just $1. And as you can see, there are not that many videos available, and that would also take a long time to reach that, because some of them will require you to watch 20 seconds, most of them, but as you can see here, some of them will also require you to watch quite a lot more. But luckily you would not have to watch that many to actually be able to get paid, because the payout threshold is lower, and I will go over exactly what it is in just 1 minute, where I will also go over the payout methods, because you of course also need to consider that before joining. And speaking of that, then let's go over how you can then get paid. So the payout methods that are currently available here is Payeer, Kiwi here, Yandex Money and WebMoney, and Add Cash, as you can see here in the FAQ section. Personally, I do not really particularly like any of these payout methods. They can definitely be fine. It's just not really payout methods I have used. And what I think would have been great is if they had actually offered something like, for example, Bitcoin or PayPal or TransferWise, or some payout methods that were a little bit more known in some ways. These payout methods definitely can be great. I just think that it would have been great if they had offered other methods as well. I definitely prefer some of the other methods I mentioned there. So that's just my personal opinion, but if you like any of these payout methods, then it can be fine, but you just need to be aware that these are the only payout methods that it actually offers. But one great thing is that you can actually get your earnings out quite quickly. As you can see here on the front page even, you can withdraw already when you have earned 3 cents here. So it will not require that much, but still you will have to watch quite a lot of videos to just even reach 3 cents. Once you reach it, they do pay instantly, as you can see here. But however, this whole claim that they say that they have instant withdrawal, yes, that is true. But what you need to consider is that it will not be instant money as such, because even though the payout threshold is only 3 cents, you will have to watch quite a lot of videos, and there are not that many earning opportunities available here. So even though it can seem like very fast money when you just take a quick look, then it's not really always the case. It will still require you to have quite a bit of patience to get paid, and even when you reach the payout threshold, it's not really a lot to get 3 cents. So it's not a super effective platform to earn on compared to many other platforms I have tested, and that is just something you need to consider before investing your time here. But it can be an easy way to earn a little bit extra. So as you can see, Surf.be is a way to earn without investing, as it claims here, but you just need to go into it with the right expectations. It can be a way to earn a bit by watching videos, and if you use the browser extension, you can earn a little bit more, but it does not offer a huge number of earning opportunities. In general, you will not find platforms that will pay you a lot to watch videos, and what you will get per video on Surf.be per video is close to what you can get on many other platforms that will pay you to watch videos. However, there just are many other platforms that will offer you a lot more videos, and where you can also earn in many other ways. So overall, those platforms will allow you to earn more, and also many other platforms have better payout methods in my opinion, but that's of course a matter of personal preferences. So overall, I'm not super impressed by Surf.be and the earning opportunities it offers, but now you know exactly how it works and how much you can earn, and then you can decide and judge for yourself. It can be a way to earn a little bit extra. You just need to do it with the right expectations, and I hope this video helped you make a decision about whether you think it is for you or not. And if the video helped you, then make sure to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of Get Paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.